You're about to get some good advice, but it's not financial advice. Check the disclaimer. Hi guys, once again this is Alfred from Amassers.com, and I've come around, you know why, to see if you cats are picking up what I'm putting down. Okay, today I want to share our AI Forex trading tool. This is new to our site. We call this Forex Flows. It's designed after an idea we had many years ago, but let's say the tech really wasn't there in that time span to really deliver. But now something powerful like this can be delivered right to you guys, and we can get everyone on the same page with the help of AI and artificial intelligence. So let's just dive right in. This is going to show you where the money is. What are some of the weakest? What is the weakest? And what is the strongest currency? So that you can focus in on where the money is and where the money isn't. And you can simply trade whatever strategy you're trading. You can trade around that, and it's going to help tremendously, just like with the screener. Okay, we have weekly here and we have daily. I'm going to show you guys some charts, but you know this always starts with the tools that help me select what is interesting to me. If there's something interesting in a particular imbalance or a statistical edge in the market. Now we got weekly and daily, and you can see there are 5 currency pairs, 5 pieces of currency that are buying, 1 piece that's selling. We're tracking 15, which includes the major pairs and some semi-major exotic pairs. Now right here we've got similar to what's happening on our chart. We've got all of the pairs that are showing up on the screener, their 30-day, their scores, and you can see we've got the same 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to 1 that are green, buying as opposed to selling. Here we've got an aggregate. This is going to show you what's buying. This euro, we've got a buy here on 1. This is the dollar, and we've got really net zero, which is because we have 2 positions that are buying, 2 positions that are selling against the dollar. And you can see here's the weakness. We've got 3 currency pairs that are selling against the yen. Now the yen's been really taking it on the chin lately, and this is why the US is trying from a fundamental standpoint. I believe Mr. Trump and Mr. Besant are trying to offer some economic assistance on a fundamental tip to the yen. Now, they're not just totally nice guys here. They're not passing out billions and billions of dollars for nothing. The real reason underlying that is because they don't want them to have to resort to selling U.S. treasuries. Okay, in a nutshell, that's really what it is. But without any indication of fundamentals or what's going on in the news, etc., this already is tracking because the data is there in the price and statistics, and this is already tracking, telling you about the weakness in the yen. But you may be a more visual learner, and that's cool too. I love the tables and the cards, but right here you can see everything lined up. Again, this is on a weekly basis, and you can see head and shoulders above all else right now that is actually showing up. The yen is showing really strong weakness. Now let's look at the artificial intelligence. Even if you couldn't interpret from all of this, there's AI right here at the bottom, and it's going to give you where the strength is in the market and where the weakness is in the market, so that you can go in and build your trading around this idea. Okay, now let's go over and look at a chart. Remember that this is us and we're looking on a weekly basis. Okay, here's us and we're looking this time on a daily basis. And you can see some strength here. There's something going on in Taiwan right now. And again, this is just based on the data. You can see buying here in Taiwan because they're suspect, I should say, of possible invasions or something. Again, geopolitical risk with Taiwan dollar. Okay, but then Alfred, why is this going up? Oh, a lots of times you'll see the banks and institutions move something up so that once it reverses to the mean, it can come back down to some a semblance of stability and normalcy like it was prior to whatever geopolitical risk there is. This is happening, but this doesn't access the news. I want to show you guys on a daily basis. This is looking at the numbers, the data, and statistics, and that's how it's arriving at the unusual activity with the new Taiwan dollar. Okay, that's on a daily basis. Now let's pop over and look at a chart really quick before I get up out of here. Okay, this right here is dollar yen on our chart. Now I know this says GBP, GBP, JPY because I done some trades on pound versus yen earlier, but this is actually the dollar yen, guys. I just don't sometimes change my templates. This, if you've watched a lot of my videos, or if you're new to my videos, this is the statistics for where we should be on the week. And you can see that we just got up here. This is the weekly stats. This should be somewhere in this zone for the entire week. And we just kept going. Now, you notice the little weakness on the dollar when we switched over to the dailies, and that's us pulling back some profit taking over all of that money that's been made by taking the yen down on the week. You have to remember that these things are like a seesaw, and what I mean by that is the dollar gets stronger, the dollar versus yen is going to get weaker, and you're going to see that number go up. You're going to see that 159 number there going up and up as it takes more and more yen to just equate to a single dollar. So when you see that weakness in the yen, you can go in here and go long pound yen, long euro yen, long dollar yen, specifically all of these things, because it's crunching the numbers for all these 15 global pairs, is giving you what the AI is interpreting after crunching all those numbers. Guys, that's all I got to share for today. I hope this is helpful to someone. This tool is free, available on our site. It's the Forex Flows dashboard. There's a card right there on the site. Check it out, guys. It's going to improve your Forex trading, I believe, dramatically if you start in the right place, going with the global flow of money in the markets. Now, a lot easier thanks to artificial intelligence. See you guys on the next one. Once again, this is Alfred from Amassers.com. Like, share, comment, subscribe. If we've helped you, please help us by sharing this content with others. See you when I see you. Peace.